Welcome to the part 4 of this tutorial. In this part, we are going to create the USB connector using the rectangle tool. First, select the front face. And then create the rectangle with 8 and 2.7 units. And then go to the fillet tool and fillet it with radius 0.3. You can select polyline if you don't want to put much effort on filleting the corners one by one. And next, we're about to create a helping line again. But first, change the view mode to whatever suits you. And I'm comfortable with this mode, hidden mode. And next, create a helping line on the front face from this midpoint and all the way down. And then move the rectangle, move it